there, I've got a Christmas journal I'd like to share today. This is a nice sized one. She measures 9¼ inches by 6 with a 3¼ inch spine. She has one signature. And I've decorated her. As I said, she's soft covered fabric. It's like a velveteen white underneath this lace fabric on top. And then there's lace trim, more lace trim with flowers along here, lace here, another flower, some nice red sparkly trim, layers of card, die cuts, and it says Merry Christmas. She's closed with some white chiffon ribbon. And as I say, she's one signature, 84 pages. So she's quite straightforward, I'll be able to whiz through. It's the same velveteen fabric inside that I've lined the inside with, and there's some more lace across the bottom. And there's a flower, fabric flower, at each corner of the inside covers. Now this one's not heavily embellished, this is only partially. It only has pockets front and back inside covers, it's got a few tuck spots, and that's it. I've kept it nice and light, and I thought it would be good just as a stocking filler or for you just to do lots of writing over Christmas, some memories, but I'll whiz through. So there's a pocket here. I've made like an index style pocket. I've left a space there for you to write your own title. It says Christmas Memories layered in some cardstock, and then I've put some tags. I've stamped Believe in the Magic of the Season, left it blank. And then just some ephemera, ring out the old, ring in the new. That's Tsunami Rose. This is a Tsunami Rose envelope, and it's got a little journaling card inside. Again, Tsunami Rose. And another full sheet, Tsunami Rose. I really like her Christmas ephemera. Really pretty. The pages are from Dreams, etc. I've put some fabric here, as you can see, lace. Lace in lace. Lined paper. This is a pocket, and I've folded it down and attached it as a tuck at the bottom so that you can do some writing. A nice size journaling card in there. You can hear the bell, I think. I'll check him in frame actually. No. Sorry, I've just moved that so that you can see it all. So that's the pocket that flips down with the journaling card. I'll put it away later. And then this is a tuck, another large place to journal. Very cute puppy. 3 tags, all Santa. Some fabric. Just ephemera, and I've put a fabric tuck up here. It says Let It Snow in fabric. A lovely little card again, Tsunami Rose. Some of the tracing paper that I used, and I sprayed with some Lindy's. The first bell, you can always take it off. I think Christmas is lovely for bells. Again, beautiful paper from Dreams, etc. Tsunami Rose, another journaling card. And another card at the back, a little paper bag, a couple of journaling spots, cards, coffee day dyed paper, punched out the sides, different cardstock, pink and green, stitched round some cream cardstock and made a pocket, and some more ephemera, tags, Dreams, etc. Another piece of yellow cardstock to coordinate, 2 doilies to write inside, an Edith Holden. I think those birds are just so cute. An Oxford Music, it's an old music sheet, coffee dyed paper, an index card that's been stitched, some more fabric, and this charm is a little tree, Santa Claus. And this was to remind me actually, this is a page from this book, which is a girls' high school. It's an old diary, she's been on a school trip, and it tells you the dates. It's in Geneva in 1938, from July the 28th till August the 19th, and it's just fascinating. She's doodled on it. I don't know how old she was, but it's just really interesting to read through, and she's documented it the way we would any trip now. She's got little tabs, she's got flips put in with receipts from where they've been. So I thought it'd be nice to add a sheet from here. So I've put one of the sheets from this, I really like that, and that's one of these sheets from here. So it's tattered because I've just taken it from the book. Piece of ledger paper, dream, etc., coffee dyed, a large, lovely large envelope, and that's from Tsunami Rose. And it's got a little gem at the back to hold it closed. And then inside there's another Santa Claus and a piece of writing paper with an angel, a wee cherub on it. I thought that was cute for Christmas. And just whiz through. Lovely paper. Lots of room to journal, as you can see. Another couple in the pocket. I've left that, you can decorate it yourself. Another couple of journaling cards in the little bag. A bell. Another tag. And another one. That paper's gorgeous. And another tag. That's another fabric tuck that I've done down here. The little girl. And another 3 Santas, and a lovely little dove under this tuck. And this pocket flips up. And there's another one, Merry Christmas, it matches the pocket. And I've attached it that way so that you've got a hidden writing space there. Some more lace back in front, the back pocket, and they're quite generous, the back pockets. It's got a little saying, it says, Christmas that holds its happy share of happy content and laughter, and a new year where you will be happy forever after. And I've put beautiful Christmas tide music sheet at the back, a little piece of cardstock for your own writing. Another piece from Tsunami Rose, full size, another journaling card, and a tag where I've just stamped a snowman, some snowflakes, and snow kisses, it says. And that's the first one. I think this is a good way to show you the difference. This has not been embellished heavily at all. It's still got quite a few tags, tuck spots, journaling cards, but you can see the difference. All of the journals I make start this way. And as I say, if you've watched any of my videos before, I always say you can take the ephemera out and the journal will flatten down. That's what I mean, because that is how they turn out. This journal's been made exactly the way I make the carpet baggers, and you know how chunky they can get. But it just shows you the difference when you don't heavily embellish the journals. So I think she's really pretty, and she'll be in the shop today.